Welcome. Just in time for the last day. Bit less than 24 hours remaining at the current time. It is, wait, actually I should just pull up the thing. Develop.games, Game Jam. 23 hours and 20 minutes is what it should be, unless I fucked up. The website is already not loading. Maybe we should like end it in sooner rather than... Okay. Yeah. 23 hours, 20 minutes until the deadline of the Game Jam. So let's finish this thing up. Today I'm gonna do 2 streams. First this one, for just like about 3 hours or something, because then we have like our last meeting for the project. And then after the meeting, which I would assume is like over at 8 or 9 p.m. Central European time. So in, well, 3 hours plus 1 or 2 hours basically. That's when the second stream will start, and that might go through the night. My plan is basically to like stream until I don't have any ideas of things that I could improve. Well, things that I could improve in time. And well, either that or a deadline, whichever one comes first. That's the idea. Also, I think I finally figured out what the issue was with the vertical stream on YouTube. So hopefully that thing is working now. I'm not sure, but we will find out together. Was a really weird bug, but okay. So, where were we? Right. Last thing I did was include like damage indicators, so you see like how much damage you deal and how much damage you take. A bit chaotic if like so many characters are damaging the same guy and like standing on the same position. So, and works this. So for me, yeah. Now balancing wise, yeah, there's still a long way to go. But yeah, time for, I guess, starting to polish this thing. I think we still don't have the lever transition thing, but that's what someone else is working on. Right, also like the texts like floating around rather than being somewhere like fixed is also a bit of a problem. And like the camera, oh my god, we are all just dealing 1 damage. Oh, except that one guy who deals 10 damage. Oh. Oh, I managed to kill someone. But yeah, one of them just deals 10 damage and then it's just game over. Lol. And finally I'm able to see that because I implemented damage indicators. Okay. I mean, he dealt... No, wait, I dealt more damage. Wait, purple was... Yeah. Purple was me. Oh, that guy... Oh my god, he has no HP. I'm dealing a lot of damage here. Oh shit. That's a bug. It is supposed to always spawn... Oh, what? Yeah, okay, that's okay. But it's supposed to always spawn 3 corpses in the starting room. Or like in 1 room. I'll have to... Oh my god, that guy had like no HP. And that guy has no attack speed. Oh, okay, this one is broken. And dead. Oh my god, how terrible is this? Ah. Oh my god. Okay. That was unlucky. Okay, I'ma just try to reproduce that bug. Mm-hmm. Oh. I was about to say, nice, I got one that deals 10 damage, and then he immediately died. I'm gonna take the guy with 8 damage. Go to the next floor, where I spawn in a room with 2 enemies. That's weird. But I think I know what's happening. In the next floor thing. Actually, no, it's happening up here. Where I spawn the enemies. That one does that. In the first room, do that. Oh, because we reset it to null then. So we only need to reset it to null after we spawn our character. Because we reuse that thing to like detect stuff. And I think that's literally all it took to fix that bug. Oh. Oh my god, one of them deals 10 damage. Oh, it was the guy that I just had and that immediately died. And the other guy that I just had and that immediately died. Oh, that guy deals 9 damage. Oh my god. I think he has 9 damage, right? Yeah. Take him. Now I gotta pull those carefully. So I'm like close enough to those guys. I have to. Yep. Because he rolled high. Take him. No. Could you please come with me? Okay, so I'm gonna take him. Go to the next floor, and there's 3 dead bodies in here. That's perfect. And with perfect, I mean I still lost. Okay. Maybe reduce aggro range a little bit and increase necromancy range because we had issues with that before, I think. Let's say 150 and 250. Now the how to play that thing should be not tied to a player instance, but rather to like the cam. Okay. Where's the dialogue manager? Where is that thing? Dialogue manager, here. Okay. Slightly confused, but we'll figure it out. Let's merge that to the level thing, I suppose. I mean, level thing is not the right thing. It should be like the start room or something, but we don't have a start room currently, which I should write down as stuff we still need to do. Start room, boss room. Those are important. Graphics, full on screen stuff, like in the thing. Okay, that is ancient. and fixed, so let's just get rid of that. And it seems the vertical stream is staying up this time. Yeah, looks to still be working. Even though it is not happy that I'm streaming at a lower bitrate than it's recommending. But that's fine. Okay. So, oh, what of those rooms or something else am I working on? Wait, was the spawn point of the staff at least like kinda okay-ish? I mean, it's outside of the room a little bit. I was just thinking maybe I should make the stuff like rather than just be a texture, also one of the NPCs, just with different textures. It's basically the Valve thing of like everything is an NPC with a head. Wasn't that Valve where like they had a subway or something, but they didn't have vehicles, but they could make characters that walk somewhere. So they were like, okay, let's have a character walk somewhere, and it's wearing a subway as a hat. Was either Valve or Bethesda. Well, probably both. I feel like that's the common thing. Or like also in the same thing that in League of Legends, everything is coded as a minion. Basically. So everything is just an NPC here. Also, now that I see that, the wand position is kind of far away. That should be a little closer. So like, where did I do that again? Or like staff. Scale, position, player position. Mm-hmm. Moves the stuff. That's not it, right? Did I also do that in here? No. I thought I put an offset in there. Or is the offset in the staff scene? Wait. Might be. No, that is that on in the middle. Hmm? Okay, so it's loading it, rotating, setting the scale, player position. Okay, that's the wrong script that I'm working in. Should be in here. Minus vector 2. Let's leave that. Oh, like, wait, that needs to be a plus to go up, right? No, wait, I think y is a minus. Or like, let's actually do this and add a plus here. I think that is easy to read. So let's test that. That looks unchanged, to be honest. Just checking if it does anything at all. Or if I'm messing up. Oh, yeah, it does. 50 is too much, so it should be probably around 30. Yeah, that looks good. Like the wand next to the thing. Maybe like shift it a little bit in the X direction as well. Yeah, that's looking good. Next text. I mean, that should only be the first thing. Hmm. I know how to do that. I know how to do that. In here, where we spawn the characters, which I think is not in here. Is it? Oh, it's in here. Reload the character you came into the level with, which only applies if it's at least the second level. So else we do like the character thing. What does that? Expense node. Okay. Let's just see if that works, if I throw this in ready as well. And this in the else down there. And then we get rid of the player thing in here. So let's see if that's there. What's up? Hello there. Last day of the game jam. Whoops, I just broke something. What did I just break? Oh, wait, is that in the player scene? Why? I'm just trying to finish our game for this game jam. It is not in the... Which label is it using? Um, Might be that. Wait. Dialog manager. It should be in here. Xbox. Okay. What exactly was the label text? Nope. Oh, what? Wait, what broke? Exactly. Where did things break? Here in display text. In text box script. Text to display. Display text. Where is that called? Not in here. In here. Display text. Dialog lines. Which is called show text box, which is called unhandled input or start dialog. I assume in here. Wait, I can probably look like which route it took. Map here, generate rooms, dialog manager, start dialog. Yep. Show text box. And that wants to play this. Print line index. Would be 0. Dialog lines is equal lines. Start dialog lines. Where does it get that from? Array of string where it calls start dialog. Oh, self, because that would be player. No to D. I mean, that's not the problem it has. Lines is the problem it has. Singleton, not how to play. It should be here. I'm confused. Why that's not working. Maybe I'll need to print like dialogue lines before that. And dialogue lines. And before that, actually print current line index. Just have that. Need to write it correctly, then it works. So, what did it output? 0 and that thing. Oh, text to display. Okay, like, I mean, that part works. So, print text. Like text to display. Why is what? Why is text set to this? What is this used for? Okay, I don't know, but I'll keep it there, I guess. Dialog, WASD to remove. The problem is actually that we don't have a label. Sense margin container. Okay, because this thing isn't connected to anything, I guess. What does call defer to? Calls the method on the object during idle time. What is that a thing? I don't know. Okay. Hey, wait, if I go back here. Oh, wait, that's playing the thingy. What is it connected to? Wait, I need to. I am so confused. Is that player? Or is that a different one? We have multiple player scenes? Okay, my Stu has a problem, but that's fine. That's all normal. That's a different player thing. Why do we have multiple player scenes if we don't use any at all? Like actually. Why? Why? What does... Okay, yeah, that was that thing. Like, this one also doesn't have... Okay, maybe I'll just place an invisible player that can't walk. How does that sound? How do I break his legs? We do have 2-player scenes. Why do we have 2-player scenes when we don't use a player? Yeah, which one was the correct one again? Okay. That handled in here? No, that's that weird thing. Get rid of that. Okay, I'm gonna just start deleting shit and see like when it stops working. Those level, let's undo these two things. So I will assume that now it is working and it's showing an invisible player walking around. Nope. Oh, right. That. That will do it. So okay. We don't need that. Okay, so let's go back to that. Let's see if anything still works. Oh, cool. We have an invisible player that can't walk. Amazing. That's basically what I want. Okay. We basically just need to set the position of that guy. Yeah. Change position of invisible player. Also, what I wanted to check, if I like press continue on the dialogue, yes, and I go to new level. Oh, cool. Then we don't get the same dialogue again. That's progress. I'll take that, actually. Mm. So, yeah. I guess I'll start working on title screen, a lost screen, and an end screen, I guess. Hmm. For that, it would be good if our game actually had a name. Like, I had an idea that was like Risen for Revenge, but that like would give away that we have a boss fight at the end. Um, What else could we name it? Something with like rising. I like it. Like rising, risen, something like that. Oh, hello. What was the notification? Thanks for the follow, Captain Bits. Oh, and there's probably about to be some guy thanking you over there.
A new member joins the Tapir tribe, a community brimming with camaraderie and wildlife enthusiasts. Let us extend a warm welcome to Cat Bits as they embark on this journey of discovery and adventure with us.
Welcome in here. So, what do we call it? It's also like that positioning is not great. Maybe I should like put the method that like spawns the wand somewhere else. Stuff or like stuff. Oh, we just need to set the player position differently at the beginning, I guess. Let's call it 0, 0. I think there's always a room at 0, 0 if I'm not mistaken. Or it might be the corner of a room every time. Yes. It's like either of those rooms always exist. I'm not sure which one it is though. Let's just regenerate a couple of times. Nope, same thing. Kind of want to like have one where like one of those two rooms is missing. Yeah, that's okay. So we're always in the top left corner of a room. So wait, do we have the bounce thing in here? Oh, we do. Start and room size. So we can just go and say start room size is that. We just add that divided by 2 on the staff position. Or like, nope. Got an idea. On ready singleton dot player position is equal to that divided by 2. Which should put me in the middle of a room every time. Or not. Probably because the staff spawns too quickly. I think that is happening because the staff down here spawns. That wouldn't make sense if it spawned before. If like process got called before ready, that would not make sense. And player position. Basically just set it to null before that. And check if it is not null. Let's see if that works now. Okay, so that wasn't the problem. Maybe I have to go. Let me test something. In ready in here. Let's double that. I mean, that's, in terms of pixels, that's not a lot. Like the room size, that's probably scaled with something later on. Yeah, I think that's not like pixels. Where do we get the Atlas thing though? I know we're using this. Nope, not this. Also, oh wait, not the temporary ones. Also not the characters. Tiles here. Using that as a thingy. Might be times 32. Might be times 32 or times 16. I'm not sure actually. But let's say times 16 and we will see if that's in the middle of the room or not. Because that would be 42 divided by 2. And it doesn't change the position at all. This change anything at all? Like that should not be like literally off screen. Yeah, it does not change the player position. Like, wait, is it just a graphical thing or does it actually not change the player position? I throw that in there. It's literally not changing it. And singleton.player position. Let's print that to like check some stuff. 1645. Where does it get that from? 1632. Run it again to see if that's a constant value or a random one. Constant one. Like ever? Where the fuck does it get that from? Interesting. I mean, once we are like in a character and once we have been in a character and out again, then it works. But like, right. It's setting one character. Right, I forgot that it's always like spawning next to a character. Okay. I programmed it yesterday. That's why it's doing that. But like, why is it always the same position? It's again at like 0, 0. Oh, because again, layer position not equal thingy. Also, it doesn't print anything. Oh, it did. Why is it always 1632 though? So 16 in here. No 16 here. Mm-hmm. Let's see. I suspect that is because it's multiplying with an integer, just like cutting it off. So like the x rand always becomes 1 and the y always 42. Yeah, always 2. And then like multiply with 16 is 42. Right, I should get rid of that print for now. To test that out. It is not, in fact, that. And the multiplication goes through correctly. That is worse because now I don't know why. I thought I had it there. Like, why am I now always spawning there? Do I have to like revert this stuff? Wait, let me create a new branch for this because I just realized I'm working on main again. Where's my GitHub? When did I close that? Let's make a new branch. QL changes. Bring my changes. Now, if I go back to main and like revert to like the state there. Oh, wait. Yeah, wait. Leave my changes on QL changes. There's them. Discard and reload. Now run this thing. Does the staff always appear in the corner? No. Like not directly in the corner. But quite close to the corner, twice in a row now. Okay, it's always the same position. Let me do the following. in process, print singleton.player position. So this will be a lot of spam. Okay, so see if it's different at any point. Not the same prints. Okay, it's always 1632. And it always has been. It does not change. Spawn. Oh, that's only printed there. Which of these prints is it? Ah, 1632. Okay, because that works on a different grid system. Household size. Okay, I think I need to do this basically. Maybe I just set it to that. This should be in the middle. It's weird that it is operating a different like grid size system thing. Yeah. Oh, that's that. Where did I just set that? Why does it not fail there? I just call it vector I, vector 2, not vector 2i, because it doesn't need to be integers. And that's the corner. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight. But like, why? Why is it in the corner? 9.5. Yes, it's maybe I need to like multiply it with like 32 or something. But at least it's now changing position. 32 is the other side of the room. Okay. Oh, wait, let's go the divided by 2 out here and multiply with 8. Like we halved it twice. And now it's in the middle of the room. Perfect. Now I just need to like copy this and switch branch. Changes. Discard changes. And go over to QL changes. Restore. And in here, this one comes that. What did I want to put into else here? Again, wait. Right, I wanted to put the text box into an else here, but I scrapped that idea and leave it on an invisible, unmovable player instead. Because that's how someone else programmed it. Well, not with invisible and unmovable, but I just added that for flavor. That's not in the middle. Why is that not in the middle? I might need to like look at my WOD to like see what the fuck I changed. Because I don't know what I did. Wait. This might look weird. What did I just change? Why is it pixelated as fuck? Here. Like a minute ago. Before I went here. That was in singleton per child stats. If in the first room spawn 3 bodies. That is literally the same. Why is it not working now? Oh wait, did I? Okay. Back to here. Okay, guess we going to look into the diff thing. I did not change anything here. Uh, 44, 45. Right, that's the staff thing that can stay. That is fix. It's literally only that. Okay. Player. Right, that was all of that. Damage indicator. Don't think I changed anything there, but who the fuck cares? This can go. Yep. So I'm gonna do another thing. I'm gonna go back to main. Leave my changes. Branch. I'm gonna run this. The stuff will be in the corner. Well, not quite in the corner, but like sorta in the corner. Then I'll go in here. I'm gonna replace this line. That's the wrong line. Fuck, I brought the wrong line. No, okay. Changes. UL changes. Store. Back in here. We need to go. This line in core char stats. Third line. If I now go in here, we leave my changes there. We reload. It's sorta in the corner, not quite though. Yep. Then we replace that one line in core char stats, third line, with that, and reload, and it'll be in the middle. Pretty much. Not perfect. Yeah, good enough. Good enough. Now, if I now go and like, wait, just discard all changes. And I go to QOL, restore. And I go to that same line right here. And that is the exact same line. And I run it. Then why is it there? That's further up. I mean, it's still in the room, but I'm pretty sure that's further up. Like, that would technically not be too bad. But like, wait, I gotta VOD again. Because like, what the fuck? So, I gotta see the difference now. Wait. Yeah. Wait, that's way too far back. Let's go to live. Yes, that was the main. Why is it further up? That is noticeably further up. This does not make sense. And also, if I go back to reverting that and I run it, then it will... Then the position is right. What the fuck is going on? Okay, I have an unconventional idea. Let's go into Git. We leave all this shit behind. Leave it all behind, you say it. Go in here. Here, print character. Yep, that's the one. We run that to check. Then we commit it. Then when we merge, hopefully that still works. Like, that's pretty much in the middle. I mean, except for like the textures offset, because like the lowest pixel is the boundary basically. But like, except for the texture offset, that is pretty much exactly the middle. Now, I don't know why the damage indicator always does shit here. Let's discard that. Could be a worthless thing. Changed the on position push. Now let's go to the other thing. We restore the changes. Run that again just for flavor. Okay, fine. So wait, what did I do in the QOL changes thing? Player scene. Alright, it was making it like removing a bunch of stuff. Damage indicator is just a flavor. Dialog manager also useless. Okay, basically just changed tiny things. Made player invisible and movable. So text stays in one place. So let's merge that. And when I do that now and reload, why did it not throw a conflict for this? Oh, now the wand is in. Okay. Who the fuck cares? Okay, now the wand is in the middle. I don't really want to know why the fuck it wasn't before. I really don't care. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now something I want to check here. Like what is the actual position of that now? Mm. 144.80. Okay. So if I now give the player that same position, why is there a damage thingy in here? Really don't care actually. Oh, up direction. That's not the transform. 144 plus and 80. If I now do that, then the like tutorial thing should be in the first room, right? Yeah. I mean, oh yeah, because like the player position is down there. I would have to compensate. Also the text box is behind everything else. Why is the text box behind everything? Why? Is that even the right player scene? We have two, even though we don't use a player. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but that is our reality. Where's the dialog box? Damage indicator. Where's the dialog box scene? Wait, what? Text box. Oh, that's why I didn't find it. I thought it was called differently. Whatever. Visibility. Ordering C index. Higher was better, right? 9. Let's see if that's still behind everything else. Well, there isn't anything else there, so hard to say. No, it is not. Amazing. Why is my wand so far away now? Didn't I fix that just now? Did that get lost in the merge or something? It did. I just quickly check that. So in which thing is it? Should be in here. Nope. Wait, did I completely remove that before I merged it? Seems like it. Whoopsie. Okay, what were the numbers? Vector 2. 10, right, minus 30 or something like that. Yeah, that's great. That said, I should probably then go up here. And like, actually, let's do like this. Because it wasn't perfectly in the middle anyway, so that should help. Not only offset what I just did, but also put it closer to the middle. That was overshooting a little bit. Let's test that. That. Yep. That's looking pretty much like exactly in the middle. And now stuff is working. Oh shit, I just pulled all of them. And I've only got one character left. Oh. Watch that guy. Oh my god, I only deal 1 damage. And I'm dead. That's very nice. Now a bunch of stuff is immediately better.
Getting ready to release?
Soon. And with soon, I mean the release might be very close to the deadline. But yeah, basically my plan is now I'm gonna stream until our meeting, which is in a bit less than 2, or like about 2 hours. And then after the meeting, I'll stream immediately until either I run out of ideas of what to polish or the deadline is there. Which will be fun because the deadline is 3 p.m. for me. Yeah. Like if I stream until the deadline, that's gonna be a long one. Yeah. That said, game is like, I would say, very close to being finished.
Do you have call meeting every day?
Well, we basically said for the last couple of days, we want to do every day to like, you know, get a quick check on like what everything, like how we can continue, and like now that we are getting close to finishing it, like, you know, so everyone knows everything they need to know. And like because it's the last day, we were basically like, yeah, let's have another meeting there to like see how to like tie everything together. Basically. So, but yeah, most functions are already in there. Some things that are still missing is like switching from one level to the next is currently just like a debug hotkey rather than like, you know, a zone you run into. Something like that. Then, yeah, the map is also like the camera thing is still not implemented. Like it is supposed to like always, like the camera is supposed to like show this square base or like this rectangle basically. So like whichever rectangle the player is in currently, it should show, which is also not there yet. But yeah, other than that, also, why did that not spawn? Shit, that removed that bug fix again. Why? I don't know why that bug fix is in, like why that bug is back. Was there some other bug as well that I fixed that is now back? Because like Git just made some weird stuff. I think, or the other ones are here. Oh wait, let me just check. Okay, now that's working. Yeah. Now that is working again. Thankfully, there was only a one-liner that got eliminated there. But let me just quickly check. Did I really like throw away some changes? Or what did I do? Aim.
Are you supposed to know
changes.
stats of corpses? Or you have to check yourself which corpse is better to use?
Yes, someone is currently working on, yeah, like one of the things that's supposed to be possible is you like mouse over a corpse and it like shows you their stats, but that's what someone is currently working on and having quite a lot of trouble apparently. But like I guess attack damage you can find out rather easily by like attacking or getting attacked. And like also attack speed, you can like get a quick overview from getting completely spammed to death 3 times in a row.
Best viewers on botpower.online at V203LSXA.
Oh my god, I like there I immediately, oh my god. Okay, now I've got the guy with 8 attack damage. Yeah, and like other than that, a lot of like quality of life things or like a title screen and stuff like that still missing. And like a screen that says, well, there's no dead bodies near you, so you fucked up, you're dead. That's also still missing. Did I just have 3
So I
characters
guess
in a
it is
row?
almost impossible to lose right now, like only if you meet enemy which is stronger than all your corpses available?
Well, yes, that's how you can lose, but like I just met an enemy that eradicated 6 corpses in a row. It's not almost impossible. Let's grab this guy, move him up a bit. Like you start out with 3 corpses in each room. Like in the first room, and after that you basically have to make new corpses yourself. Yeah, which is so it sounds like it should be like very much in your favor, but like it is hard. Like it happens quite a lot that I like lose all my available corpses. Yeah. Like this guy got immediately killed. Okay, now I've got a couple of corpses here. But like if like one guy with like rolls like really high in like all 3 combat stats, then it's just game over. Oh. Yeah. Also, like the map should probably be bigger considering how big the characters are. It's also something I already mentioned. I don't know if someone already changed that on some other branch, but it's not on main yet. Also, like where the characters want to walk isn't programmed in yet.
Or characters can be smaller.
Yeah, that's also one option, but then like all of the combat thing is like hard-coded stuff. Well, not completely hard-coded stuff, but like, yeah. It would be easier if just the map is bigger, because I think nothing else depends on that. Oh shit. This guy has like the slowest attack ever. Pull those 2. Oh, that guy has 10 attack damage. Okay, I'm gonna take him. Even though he didn't have a lot of HP. Like, quite fast attacks. I'm gonna take him. Oh, the other guy also has 10 attack damage. Okay, can he attack? No, it's quickly. Okay. But yeah, I feel like we're getting quite close. Like the boss fight is also basically implemented. We just don't have like a screen you win or you lose or something. And I ran the wrong scene. Well, oh yeah, I wanted to like make the boss fight more dramatic. So like the camera is first on like this character and then like zooms out to like reveal that guy and everything. But yeah, it's working. Mm-hmm. For this one, I should probably change the aggro range for the boss fight to like something ridiculous. I just realized because otherwise... Otherwise, we might run into the thing where like a character just doesn't aggro him and runs off screen or something. If we allow that, of course. Which we shouldn't. Now they should all still walk towards him. Oh my god, how long did they have like attack cooldown stuff? Let's just suicide them quickly. And now I can go in and do stuff. Yeah, hitboxes aren't like too clean, but that's fine. And with hitboxes, I mean just like the center of the character. Okay, what I wanted to change here. First, the camera should be set to like look at only the necromancer. Like that should be the center of the camera. How do I now set the camera position
What about music and SFX?
One guy is working on music and sound effects. Good thing that you brought it up. But yeah, I don't know the status of that. But like he already had something at yesterday's meeting, so I suppose he'll have something today. Like he had one background music track. Yeah. And if not, then I'll just make something really quickly. Something really bad and really quick. Offset. Like, no, let's say... Was it dot transform dot position or something? Or is it just dot position? Or do I need to make a vector 2 out of that? Non-existent function. Okay. Dot transform. Or was it set position? Probably set position. That was the wrong scene. Okay, it was probably set position, wasn't it? Set position. And I probably also have to make a vector 2 out of that before setting it. Expected one argument, which is a vector 2. Why do I even try things when I don't expect them to work? And that is, once again, the wrong scene. Damn it. Always run the wrong scene. Okay, that works. Should be more zoomed in and then like go back out, I guess. I have an idea. For I in range 300. Ah, that's probably not the way you do that. Like a camera slide, but that's okay.
Did you finish your boss cinematic?
Yeah, I'm working on like the sort of cinematic thing right now. In a really stupid way. Set position. So I want it to be. Okay, wait. Let me paint what I'm trying to do here. Oh, flashbang. So what I'm trying to do is basically say at the beginning we have the coordinates x, y, and over time they should go towards 0, 0. But like I want to do that in like 0.1 second steps or something. Like at the, so like over 3 seconds. So like in 300 steps. Which means every step takes like 1/300th of x and y of. So x minus 1/300th of x. So x minus.
You can use lerp or tween.
Probably, but I don't want to learn how to do that now. Times by 300 minus 1 times
Lerp thing is quite easy, just one function.
lerp? Okay, wait, what is lerp? D script lerp. Oh, that thing. I mean, I think that's basically what I'm, yeah. That's basically what I'm programming myself. Lerp B position.
You give it position and time and it do it for yourself.
Okay, so that's basically exactly what I want. Very good, thank you. And I don't have to manually do that. Is this and basically the same thing, but if 0, 0, and t is supposed to be. Oh, I need to do that in physics process. I mean, that's basically then. Okay, so. It's like literally exactly that then, right? Actually, I'm not sure if that even works then. I mean, we can try.
You should be able to do it anywhere.
Yeah, I don't see anything. Was I just not patient enough, or? Nope, does not seem to work. I'll just do it my way, fuck it. I mean, I'm basically implementing the same thing anyways. The position, so I should literally just do the same thing now. Order. I should not do it with like tenths of a second, but like hundredths of a second. Because then it's actually 3 seconds. And it doesn't look so terrible. You see, that's working. Why is it so zoomed in now? I didn't switch to zoom. I mean, I can. And let's do zoom equal to what does it look like at 1? Oh, I should that there. Save from the scene. Okay, 1 is way too far out. So let's do that as start position. And then that is back to zoom minus. Wait, that should be the end position. Like end zoom or start zoom, so like 5. Like the thing calculation is then like x times t plus y times t minus 1, like 1 minus t. Wait, I mean, it was the same calculation here. I might just be a plus b minus a times t. Yes, that's the one. A is start zoom. Minus, no, plus and zoom minus start zoom times I divided by 300, because we go in 300 steps. And the same thing for the y coordinate. And then, to the sound of thriller, we will see how that looks. Okay, 2 zoomed in at the end. So let's say why didn't it jump out there? Okay. Let me just check something. If I go in here, leave my changes on main. reload that. Like, what was the original thing? E75. That's wrong. Huh? Like, it didn't look like that. Oh, it did. I just like didn't full screen it. Never mind. Okay. That was a skill issue on my end. So let's full screen this time. Why is it jumping out? Okay, there must be something wrong with this. Oh, divided by 3. Oh. Ah. Because it was doing like whole number divisions and not floating point divisions. Oh, that is too far out. Wait, which number did I have here? E765. Let's leave that here again. Oh, it's getting dark. I should turn on my light. And I forgot full screen. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Now, how do I make the like the text for this? Can I use the text box thing from the other part? Maybe. I'm not sure. Oops. What if I add like an empty string here? Does that still provide like a text box, or does that like mean that there's no text box for this one? Yeah, that's still a text box. Okay, I'll have to ask at the meeting in a bit over an hour how to use that. Okay, but then I'll take a quick break and I'll be right back for about another hour. I'm back. So I'm gonna just like substitute with print statements for now. Ready. So and necromancer survived. So we have that. Print necromancer revived. That. Oh. That should. Here. Zoom out. That guy becomes visible. Then we have another 2 seconds timer where he like picks everyone up. Right, and the spawn AI char. Let's just spawn them at like 1,000, so they aren't in the screen at the beginning. So if I now run this, oh, the camera should be there at the beginning. My bad. And also the camera zoom should be at 5.5 at the beginning. Vector 2, 5.5. My bad. Or zooms into necromancer. Maybe I should just set the camera to those values. That would actually make much more sense. Maybe even zoom in further. I mean, cinematic is there. Then like for the second phase, we also like need a new cinematic thing. But like, it's not bad, I think. It would be cool if there was a pause between like summoning them all and them like starting to do stuff. But that's not possible. Actually, it might be possible. Pause. I do that.
Why your body don't have staff in the last room?
Because we only have one staff. Like the bodies don't carry the staff anymore. The necromancer is supposed to have a staff, which I told the artist, which he is working on right now, I guess. Yeah. Like in the last room, the necromancer is supposed to have the staff, because like the other ones are just like random dead bodies that are laying around and that he revives. But good question. Then is boss. And does this work? Print fight starts. And I put the 2 for up. That should be the last thing in here. Let's make a print out of that. That's characters. Let's see if that works. Like if I just set the instance to that, that means that they don't run anywhere before that. Or does it crash? Hey, it works. Okay, that's great. Didn't even break anything in the process. Okay, and for the second phase, I still want I want a dialog box. Also, why is it so laggy? Is it just my laptop doing stuff because I'm streaming? Or is the game actually laggy? Because it would be weird if this game was laggy. Especially in like the state where there's only 2 characters left. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. And let's just write temp here so that we know to replace all of these. I mean, that one, yeah. I also want a speech thingy there.
So you can't really dodge the boss attacks, cause he attacks instantly?
No, like the cone that you see there, that like indicates where the attack will land, and the attack comes through like every, I don't know, half a second or something. So it is very possible to dodge it actually. So if you look at that, like, wait, I might just like actually like actively run into the attacks to like show it with like the character. Yeah, so you can see that he's like having the attacks everywhere, and like the damage pops up like at the end. So, like I can go and like attack him here, walk out, attack, 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 walk out. It's actually not too hard to like dodge that. Like if I want to, I can get hit a couple of times. Yeah. So I did already fix that. Like at the beginning I had it so that like all the attacks come out immediately, but then I changed it later on because I feel like it's a much better game this way. So then for the second phase, second phase, also like put a pause in here. Amp. That should also have some dialogue ideally. Yeah, But that's basically it. I can get rid of those prints. Oh. I think that is cool. Now put them in here. 1, 2, and now I can walk. Okay. I just need to figure out how to like pop up dialog bubbles. But for that we have the meeting. Hmm. Yeah. Could I like also recolor the attack cones? Probably want to. Like, but do I do it in the same colors as damage pop-ups? For clarity, or is that better for clarity or worse? I guess I can just test it. What other things do I still have? Start on boss room, change position of invisible player. I did that. Where your body wants to go. Right. That's something I can program right now. I think easiest is just to say wherever the nearest enemy is. Like graphics. Graphics. Yeah, let's throw the graphics. Let's throw that to the graphics down here. Title screen, lost screen, end screen. Also graphics, but like also other stuff. That's more a programming thing. So where your body wants to go, I might just say always like to the closest enemy. Oh, I can just go in here in process. Current characters null. Else for I in singleton dot all IJAR instances. We have a physics thingy in here. Yeah, I just want to make sure that I don't loop through that twice every frame. Maybe I wanna like update that every second only for performance reasons. Var frames since getting 0. LAF frames targeting like every 30 frames. Else frames since targeting plus equals 1. So we only check like the distance to all of them every 30 frame. Our shortest distance, far closest enemy. let's say let's initialize that with a ridiculously big number. If I dot, wait, that's in player attack, the way to find out the distance. Basically that. That's dot length. Smaller shortest distance. Then shortest distance becomes that. Dot length. So far of time. So, and after we loop through that, we say singleton dot current character. Okay, wait, I don't break the boss with that, I think. So I can do that. Dot, what was it called again, where it wants to navigate? Movement target position. Equal to closest enemy dot global position. I think now we should always walk towards the nearest enemy automatically. Yeah. So, nope, doesn't work. Link, did I write it wrong? Ah. I did not write it wrong. I just forgot the brackets at the end. So, Oblivion. Nope. No existent function, length in base vector 2. That is a vector 2. Length. That is the difference between two vector 2's. Length. What? Like, what? That's supposed to be a vector 2 and the other thing should give me the length between those two. Yeah, like that's the difference. Why is it not working here but everywhere else? Like the basically exact same thing. Huh? Oh, right. Oh. I didn't actually print that before. I'm pretty sure that will work. 0, 0. Oh. If singleton, wait, if not singleton dot player control. I included the one. Yeah, I included the one that we are controlling. I'm not sure if that's the reason, but we will see in a second. Nope. Oh, not I.player control, not singleton.player control. My bad there. Okay, but why broken? In base vector 2. Length. Did I write it wrong? I did. Of course. Fuck. Of course I did. Fuck. Okay. Of course I wrote it wrong. So now it's not working. Oh, the invisible player still has a hitbox. Not anymore. Not anymore. Oh. Okay, so let me test if that guy does have a hitbox. Nope. But like, why am I not moving towards them now? So we do have a character. We get in here. And this. Also this one before here. And this. Okay. Let's just test that. That is the wrong scene once again. So. Okay, it is the same. That's the slowest attacks ever. Oh. Wait, I think it's working. Just that the aggro range is tiny. Did I just walk towards him? Oh, yeah, but the... Oh, it's walking towards the dead body. And not I.dead. Still not working. Why? He's coming closer. Oh, aggro range order. But why does it only update whenever he moves and not when I move? Wait. Something's wrong. Something's wrong here. Why does it not update? Current character dot global position. Let's print that instead. Does that update? Yes, it does update. I think I know why. Maybe not. Oh, it doesn't update anymore. Why does it not update anymore? Why does it update now? I'm not moving. Why does this slowly move towards the right according to that? What is the current character? What the fuck is going on? And now it's walking the other way? What? Oh, I'm updating it too often. The terminal doesn't keep up with it, I think. Oh, yeah. It was just the terminal not being able to keep up. So let's say every 300 frames. Oh, I'm walking towards there. Interesting. Oh yeah, because like that's the starting point, I guess. I should have the same aggro range as him, so I should also be able to... Oh... Wait, let me print that actually. Is that correct? No? No, it should be like that, right? Oh, we don't have an eye. We have closest enemy. And yeah, actually I want to have closest enemy global position as well. Okay. It seemed to have worked, except that like my dude didn't go anywhere. Okay. Like it works, except my dude isn't walking there. Current movement target. Oh, if player controlled, then we reset it to see. Oh, replace with logic. Okay. I mean, works, I hope. I wanted to say I think, but I'm not sure. Oh, it does look like it's working. Okay. Okay, but like basically, did I increase the range for my dude? I think so. Aggro range. And here we just use that one so that we can set it. Oh. Evan, yeah, what if I just use player control as a boolean and just multiply? Oh, I have such a stupid idea. I just realized that that thing doesn't work because then I would have to also reset it once we cease player control. But what I can do is here get an range plus int of player control, which is a bool, times 100. So, So that should result in 100, I think, for the player, and in 0 otherwise. Because it's like Boolean, if it's true, it should be 1. If it's false, it should be 0. And that's... I would be happy if that worked, because it's so stupid. Wait. Just a comment. Boolean as a number. Don't worry about it. Amazing. So. That actually works though. I need to like clear a room to like have some space. I wanted to test something I'm meant to test for a long time. But like, I'm aggroing him. He's not aggroing me. Seems to work. Wait, 260? How am I aggroing at 260? Oh, 220. Oh, it's just that the thing is once again like too spammed. Too much spam. Okay. So I don't know why it's spamming so much. It should only spam like every 600 frames. How many fucking FPS do I have in this thing? That was like 200 spams in like 0 point something seconds. What the fuck? I thought this should update like every second or so. And not like hundreds of times in a second. Oh. Because it gets in there every single time. I see the problem. Because we start at 0. And like, yeah. A number modulo another, well, 0 modulo any number is 0. So like we get in there every time and then we reset it to 0, which preserves that we get in there every time. So now it should be like every 10 seconds or something, which I probably have to like reset then. Yeah. Three, 4, 5. Okay, like every 5 seconds is this. So that would mean we have 120 FPS. Oh, wrong button. Let's say 120. We check every 120 frames, which should be some... I mean, I should really put that into physics update. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it happens everyone. But still, that should go into physics update, which we don't have in here, so... Don't have in here apparently either. Buckets in your face. Wait, actually, let's cut that. If not, or like basically I can just say this. If that and that. I don't know how many FPS this is calculated at. I think it's like 30. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. It seems to be 60 FPS, so let's set that to 60. So it gets updated once a second. Yeah, that is like once a second, roughly. No, we don't have anyone in range here. Oh wait, we don't have to reset the other range because once I take control of them, they can't go back to alive. They can only go to like dead, undead, or fully dead. I could have, I didn't have to use the boolean as an integer, but I could, so I did. I think I just died. Oh, no, that was just in range. Guy is super strong. Take him and hope that the other guy is not as strong. Oh. But that's weird. Oh. If enemy, then do that. Basically what happened there is we tried to like access the closest enemy, but there were no enemies left. So we tried to access something that didn't exist, which the game did not like. Good thing I playtested that accidentally. We both hit for 1 damage. It's just that he hits a lot faster. How many HP does this guy have? Don't want to have to pick that guy up. Oh, 8 damage. I'll take that. Ooh, 10 damage. I'll pick that. Oh my god, he has no movement speed. And no attack speed either. Okay, back to 8 damage guy. Back to this guy. Oh, that guy has 10 damage as well. Pull that. Let's stay with him. Okay, that seems to have worked. And oh, now that's something I should probably fix. Yeah, basically what's happening is I didn't put the check if we are like at the position. In here. Distance 2, that should not be vector 0, that should be movement thingy, movement target position. And that should fix that problem. I just rolled someone with 1 dexterity. Oh, I rolled someone with 1 dexterity and 10 AD, and I came up against someone with 1 AD and like no HP. So I just hit him once and he died. Like, took 10 seconds to hit him once and he died. It's basically, wait, you know what that was basically? Wait. Wait. It was basically that. What just happened. That's what just happened in game. Yeah. Hilarious. Okay, right. I wanted to test something. I forgot. I wanted to like clear out the entire level and see if we still like get stuck. Oh my god, I couldn't even attack him once. He is very much attack speed and 9 damage. Mm-hmm. But no movement speed whatsoever. What the fuck is that? I mean, this game is entirely playable. That we don't have like the thing that transports you from one level to the next. And then like to the boss. This game is mostly playable. Oh no. I'm not in range for that guy, but... should I fix that? Nah, not worth, I guess. Especially because I don't know how to fix it. Yeah, now we're still bound to like walk towards this guy, but at least we don't glitch around weirdly. Next level.
Could be more variations of enemies / corpses.
Yeah, could be. But then we also need more art for that, and I can't be bothered to make more, and our artist is busy. But yeah, maybe the night is long. Maybe I'll do something like that. Unlikely, but maybe. Especially because because what I would be doing would be ranged attacks, and ranged attacks, yeah, I don't think they play too well with like what I've implemented at the moment. Like if I add another enemy, it's like a skeleton with ranged attacks. Oh no, I need to get down there. So I'm in range of that guy. Hello, could you please aggro me? You? Okay. Okay. I have 50 minutes to the meeting. Let's see if someone wrote something on Discord. No. Okay, what else can I do in this time? Where your body wants to go. Done. Title screen, lost screen, end screen. Yes. I could be looking into that. I also know that we did something like that the last time around. Not really. How do you do title screens? I mean, we had a title screen last time. Okay, wait. Actually, let me check, like... Let me check the thing from last time. We did have a title screen, and we have.
Do you have pause in game?
No, we do not. That would also be one thing. Title screen, lost screen. Yeah, let's add a pause screen as well.
You making a
game? Oh, yes, I am making a game for the Piratesoftware Game Jam that is ending in 21 hours. So yeah, getting really close to the deadline. Last day, I'm like work on this for like another, I don't know, half an hour or so now, and then we'll have a meeting for like 1 or 2 hours, and then I'll basically be programming through most of the night, maybe through the entire night. We'll see. Like whenever I run out of ideas that I could still do, or the deadline arrives, that's when I'll go offline. That's the idea. So it could be a very long stream tonight. Yeah, so I'm making a game. The topic of the game jam is you are the weapon, and we interpret that by saying you are a necromancer stuck in his staff. Don't worry about the camera, it is broken or like not implemented yet. You are a necromancer stuck in his staff that's lying on the ground there, and you need to get back to your dead body, like the dead body of that necromancer. And you do that by using your necromancer wizardry in the staff, by reviving dead bodies that are lying around you, and doing like dungeon crawler things like that. Like I can revive that guy, and then I can attack other living guys, like enemies here, and that enemy spawned with like a lot of, with like very good combat stats, and all of the ones I had available did not, so I just lost. Yeah, and the idea is you revive some guy, you kill another guy, and then you have one more dead guy that you can use. Yeah, so that's like the general idea. And another like cool mechanic that I implemented is that like your body wants to also do something. So like you're not in total control of the body. In this case, I just died again. You are not in total control of the body. It's like your body wants to go to one place, you want to go to a different place. They get added together depending on like the willpower stat of the body, and then yeah, it's a little bit of a tug of war, like who gets to go where they want. Like right now, it's just the body moving. Right now, all of them are, yeah. So body is moving towards the closest enemy. Yeah, because the body, we just programmed that for now, that the body just always wants to go to the closest enemy if there is one in range. Yeah, right now there is none, so I can walk however I want. Now I'm in range of that guy, so I walk towards that guy. Yeah, so that's the idea. And then at the end, I also implemented a boss fight where it's basically you come back to your body, you revive your body, and then the camera zooms out and is like, okay, revived. Oh shit, the thing that originally killed you is still here. And then you revive all of the bodies that you could still revive from like the previous levels, and fight with all of them at once against that guy. And like once all of those are spent, phase 2 begins, and you unlock the ability to move as the Necromancer. And then it's a 1v1 between you and that guy, basically. Yeah, still needs quite some polish, so it might be a very long stream later, in like 2 or 3 hours. I don't know when the second stream of today will go live. Depends on how long the meeting is. I would assume like 1 or 2 hours, starting in 40 minutes or something. Yeah. So I will be then back in like 2 to 3 hours or something.
So collect bodies. Then fight boss.
Yes, basically that. You have to get through the entire dungeon, and like you want to leave as many bodies as possible lying dead on the ground, because those will be useful like in the boss fight then. So like if you just run through the dungeon and leave everything alive, then you don't have many bodies for the boss fight in the end. So like yeah, we also need to balance that, of course, so that it like if you don't bring a lot of bodies, then it's gonna be really hard. But yeah. That is the idea, and I think it's really cool, but still needs a lot of polish, especially in the graphics department, because we don't have like a spawn room, and like the boss fight thing also doesn't like have a proper room.
You control it turn to ish.
Yes. When you die in a body, then you can no longer go back into that one, because then we just say, oh, it's pulverized, there's no way you can like revive that thing. So yeah, that's just to introduce losing condition basically, because otherwise you could just like always like just jump back into the same character again. And so we just said, okay, if you die in a character, it turns into ash and you cannot revive that one. But every character you kill, you can use. Yeah. So that's the idea. Now, yep, that's done. Next thing I'll have to do is like screens. Oh, I should probably like push stuff to GitHub again. Can I push it straight to main? Yeah. Boss fight. Cinematic. And where body wants to go. Let's push straight to main. That'll be fine. And yeah. Next thing that'll be interesting will be like title screens and stuff like that. For that, I think I'll make a new branch. Title, it is screen. So, publish branch, create new, scene, title, screen. Now, how the hell do you make a title screen in Godot? Add child node. Right, I just opened the old thing because I remembered we had a title screen in here. I'm not sure if it's set up to like be played, or like if that is the latest branch. Yeah, we had a title screen in the one that we used in the one that I made with a different team in the last Piratesoftware.
Variation of bodies you can control. It works in a rock, paper, scissors deal and you manage who fight who.
No. The idea is just having one type of body because we're running out of time. But it would have been cool to like create a different one. Like I had an idea for a skeleton that deals range damage by like always like ripping out bones from its body and throwing them, and in turn like dealing 1 damage to itself every time it's attacking, which I still think would have been really funny, but I don't think we will have enough time to implement that. Yeah, so like it's probably just gonna be the one body that's all the monsters have.
Good luck.
Thank you. So, right, so the title screen. Credit screen. Oh, and thanks for the follow. There will be a guy thanking you for the follow popping up any
A
second there.
hearty welcome to Jacob McIntyre, 9, our newest member of the illustrious Tapir tribe. May they find solace and joy in the wonders of nature and the harmonious community we have cultivated here.
Welcome.
LOL.
So, yeah, we have a bunch of these weird toys in here. Tooltip, lol, I forgot this one. What? I didn't know that was the basic text. Ah, that's hilarious. I didn't know that. Okay, basically we just make sprites for all of them. Okay, it's just sprites and then like buttons that do stuff. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, there we go. Dark mode restored. So, let's just make a real quick can I like wait, how do I set the okay, I'll just drag it. 1920 1080.
Is this a study project or a work one?
1 second, I'm very concentrated right now. There we go. This is a study project or a work one. Neither. It is a project for the Piratesoftware Game Jam, which happens every like 6 months, where you basically have like you have 2 weeks time to create a game. Is the basic idea. Like 2 weeks ago, he held a poll in his Twitch stream what the topic is supposed to be, and the winner of that poll was "You Are the Weapon." And then like everybody who wants to take part, which is currently or like 16,000 people joined that, and 312 seem to have already handed in their project. Everyone then goes and makes a game that in some way interprets like what that topic means in the context of a game. And then yeah, you submit the project, and then
Is there a prize?
yes, there is a prize, I think. Prizes. Yeah, something to display publicly that says that you're awesome, I guess. Access to a Discord channel on the Piratesoftware Discord, a shout out on Piratesoftware social media thing, and personal feedback from Off-Brand Games, which is a game publishing thing. And they just give you feedback. Yeah, and I think you also get like the $100 that you need to pay for Steam, or was it last one? I don't know. But yeah, the basic idea is like it's more of a like go have fun, make a game thing, and like if you win, then you get like access to like experts who can help you like make your game come to life and like putting it on Steam and everything. That's the idea basically of the prizes as far as I'm aware.
Experts Kappa.
I mean, I think the lineup of experts is quite impressive. Like you have access to Piratesoftware in a way, because well, he's an expert because like he worked at Blizzard and stuff, and like knows people, and like you also get like access to the Discord of like previous Game Jam winners who, well, will have probably gone on to like make the game properly, and then like can help you make yours, like, and tell you like all the publishing side of things. So I think the price if you're actually interested in making a game, which you probably are if you're taking part in a game jam, I think that's a pretty good price. Yeah. So let's make a start screen, pause screen, end screen kind of thing. Wait, what did I want? Title, pause, lost, end. Right.
Irky doesn't have any successful game? Just one unfinished or something?
I think he has one finished game and one unfinished one. But like, he worked on StarCraft, so like, that's hard to argue that he's an expert.
You don't get yet, so the deadline is too short.
Yeah. The menu screen is from a game that I made half a year ago. That's not for this one though. But yeah, I also like that one.
Can be good advertisement for good game prototype.
Yeah, props to our artist from back then. Yeah, and thanks for the good luck wish. And I mean, the deadline is too short. No, the deadline is I mean, if you start now, it is too short, yes. But like, it's the last day of a 2-week thing. The idea is basically that you like make a team of 5 people, and then you can like easily pump out a game in that time. I think that's perfect.
If you work in team, it is kinda enough time to make somewhat fun prototype.
Yeah, and that is exactly the idea. That like you make like a prototype that like shows what your vision for the game is, and then yeah, if it's great, then I mean you already have the prototype and you can then continue make a proper game out of it, which I think quite some people do. Yeah. Wait, let's put that in assets. Means you died. So then make another one. So lost screen. You win. Wait, let me take that color that I always use. Oh, wait, fuck. No. Wait, let's do that properly. You win. Why is it so tiny now? 128. So don't put too much. No, fuck. I saved it over the you died. Wait. Save. And save as. You win. Yeah. Like basically what I did in this game jam is like I just went to Piratesoftware's Discord, and there he has like a channel for like if you want to join the game jam but you're still looking for a team, where like tons of people post like what they would like to do, if they would like to like paint stuff or program stuff or make sound effects or whatever, and you just like form a team with those guys, or like you post in there yourself and someone else will pick you up. Yeah, so it's quite easy to get a team of 5 together.
Would it be weird if you say you win but at what cost, since it is an it's a romance game, but there is no story so far?
I mean, sorta. Like one thing that I was thinking about is like if you win, that the last thing you see is like the end boss skeleton stand back up, but like with green eyes. Like you like necromance that. Which I think would be a cool turn. Yeah, I'm thinking about how to like implement that though. So, but like for now, I'm just like throwing out a couple of screens that I can use temporarily before I make something better. And as everyone knows, the most permanent thing is a temporary solution. So it'll be, yeah, it'll probably be that. Oh no, fuck, I forgot that. I shake the editor thing and I forgot that Windows then like minimizes everything, which is an annoying thing that nobody asked for, I'm pretty sure. Pause. This thing is not at all centered. Fuck, I saved it over the thing again. So, pause. Save as.
Look forward to the final then.
Yes. It will be fun and horrible. The best combination ever. So, but I will just quickly make these assets and then it'll probably soon end the stream for now and come back like 2 hours later. Because the meeting's gonna be soon. End screen, lost screen, pause screen, title screen. I'll just make the title screen later. Okay, no, I'll just make a title screen that literally just says title screen. Title screen. And I saved it over the pause one again. Fuck. Yes. Oh. And that's about as much effort as I'm gonna put into that. That's the old one. Right 2D. That should be the new parent. Make scene root. Title screen. That gets the texture. New what? What did I just do? Notes. Okay. Texture. I just want to like load the. Huh? Did I not do that before? Oh, I always use the animated sprite thing. Assets.
Allrichtig.
Screens.
GTG CYI.
Okay. See you around. Thanks for stopping by. Which screen am I working with right now? Title screen. Okay. Load. Screen. Nope. Assets. Screens. Title screen. Open. There we go. Then we attach a camera to that. Camera should be. Wait. Ah, that's why. Okay. We have a 720p camera thing. So maybe I shouldn't have made full HD black screens with minimum text, but it's okay. Then add a button. Yeah, and then I'll have to figure out how to use that. Okay. But I think I'll leave it at that for now. And, well, wait. There were like a lot of people streaming when I started. Oh, wait, how long is this guy online? Because he's also written, stream doesn't end until game is finished. He is online. Oh, 15 minutes. Okay, I might actually just throw you over to like some guy that I haven't seen before. If I find one. Firefox search just doesn't find anyone. Firefox search is so useless on Twitch. What the fuck is this? Okay, let me try a different browser.
You could stream your meeting to us? Laughing face.
Yeah, I don't think I will do so. Also because I'll just like grab a quick snack while doing that. So yeah, you know, take the opportunity for a quick break. Now. Okay, literally nobody has that in their text. Yeah, their problem. I'm gonna radio over to Piratesoftware again. Yeah, and then see you later. Piratesoftware. Go enjoy his anti-capitalistic snail game. And yeah, I'll be back in like 2 hours or something. See you then. Or yeah, a stream that could potentially go very long.